January 22nd, 1879. The British Empire, the most powerful military force on Earth, marches into Africa with rifles, cannons, and confidence. But on this day, in the shadow of a mountain called Isandlwana, they would be humbled by warriors armed with nothing but spears and shields. The British believed the Zulu warriors were no match for modern firepower. Over 1,700 redcoats set up camp, relaxed, and underestimated their enemy. What they didn't know was that 20,000 Zulu warriors had been watching their every move. Suddenly, wait! Kindly support us by hitting the subscribe button. We really appreciate your support. We continue. The Zulus struck, advancing in their legendary horns of the buffalo formation. The center pinned the British in place while the flanking horns swept around to trap them. It was a masterclass in battlefield strategy. Rifles and cannons roared, mowing down wave after wave. But the Zulus kept coming. Faster, closer, unstoppable. Ammunition ran low. Lines broke. And then, chaos. Spears clashed with bayonets. Shields slammed against rifles. Within hours, the proud British camp lay in ruins. Over 1,300 British soldiers were slaughtered. Only a handful survived. It was the greatest defeat ever suffered by the British Army at the hands of an indigenous force. The Battle of Isandlwana proved that courage, unity, and strategy could shatter even the strongest empire. For the Zulu, it was a moment of triumph. For the British, a day of reckoning they would never forget. If you love epic true stories from history, subscribe and like this video for more.